Hey everybody, welcome to week 4. So week 4 we're going to talk about probabilities and this concept of relative risk. That's really where we're building up to. So for this week's problem set, I want you to think about and imagine you're an epidemiologist, somebody who does work in public health. And so the problem set will use one of the data sets that we talk about in lecture, and you're going to imagine you're a public health researcher interested in how poverty increases your risk of various outcomes, especially health outcomes. So a few other points I want to make for this week. Right now I am in Seaver Hall on the campus of Harvard University. This is where I often teach courses, including previous versions of this course. And so I just wanted to record this quick video just to give you an idea of what's ahead for this week. A few points. First of all, we're really enjoying the comments on the discussion boards and in the weekly surveys. They're very helpful, and really, the feedback, we read it, we look at it, and we really do try to adjust the course based on what you tell us. We also appreciate your patience in that regard for this course, because this is the first time that we're building it up online. So it's fully online, and so there are a few kinks that we have to kind of work through. Point number 3, if you have any problems with Canvas, email Carrie. Right? She's very helpful, very responsive, and she is a whiz at Canvas. So any problems, you don't have to struggle on your own. Email her if you have any sort of issues with Canvas. Another point I want to make is about the problem sets and grading. So we're grading the problem sets very thoroughly. We want to make sure that we're doing a good job with grading the problem sets. However, I do know that some of you, after you submit your problem set, you want to review your work as soon as possible. So from here on out, we're going to start posting the answer keys after you submit the problem set so that you can review your work before you actually receive your problem set back graded. Another point I want to make is that we really do want to answer all of your questions. So we will post an announcement with answers to questions from the weekly survey. And so make sure to fill out the weekly survey, fill in your questions, and give us the feedback so that we can really improve the course and help you as you learn the material. Finally, I want to emphasize the hook again, which it has to do with this idea that with a problem set, we're really going to focus on imagining that you're an epidemiologist involved with public health. One of the goals of this course is not only to help you learn the statistical concepts and material, but also to understand how we can apply these different tools to different disciplines in the social sciences. And so relative risk, very commonly used in epidemiology. And with that, we look forward to working with you throughout the semester.